Hello everyone. We are Group 25 and our project is SixthSense AI, an AI-driven real estate assistant for our professional capstone project CSIT 998. Let's start with what inspired us to work on this project. Have you ever spent hours scrolling through multiple property websites just to find one suitable place? On average, renters in NSW spend over 6 hours a week searching for housing, yet most platforms remain fragmented, lack personalization, and require heavy manual moderation. Let's see how SixthSense AI addresses these challenges. Proposed solution, SixthSense AI integrates property search, chatbot interaction, and admin moderation into one cohesive experience. Users can ask find a two-bedroom house under 650 per week in Wollongong and get instant tailored results showing nearby amenities information. Our unique selling point here is it's built for international students in Wollongong, emphasizing affordability and AI-driven assistance. Now let's work through the key features that bring this idea to life. The key features include smart search using natural language queries, conversational chatbot, price prediction tool, location intelligence, and admin dashboard. Together, these create an intelligent, personalized search experience. For the project development methodology, we adopted an agile scrum workflow running weekly or bi-weekly sprints with clear task ownership. Our data was gathered from trusted sources like Domain Real Estate and the NSW Government Housing Portal. Each sprint included requirement analysis, design implementation, and testing, ensuring a continuous cycle of improvement. Now let's see how these efforts came together in our overall system design. System consists of four core modules: website for browsing and natural language queries, AI chatbot for real-time conversation, admin dashboard for moderating and managing listings, PostgreSQL database for the central repository linking all modules. This architecture ensures a seamless data flow and real-time integration across components. This system architecture diagram illustrates how each module communicates through secure APIs and shares real-time data via the central database. For our SixthSense AI project, we use React.js and Tailwind CSS for frontend. For backend, we use Flask and Node.js, and for database, we use PostgreSQL. For AI ML integration, we use Llama 3.1, Llama, Gemini Flash, and XGBoost for price prediction and NLP. And for deployment, we use Vercel and Render with Docker and GitHub for CI/CD. Altogether, these technologies enable a scalable real estate assistant. Property search combines Gemini AI with rule-based logic for accuracy. Gemini understands natural language, fixes spelling and context, and extracts key details like price, beds, and location from user queries. Interpret phrases like two-bedroom near Wollongong under 600 and convert them into structured filters. The system geocodes the location, applies essential filters, scores properties by proximity, price, and features, and then relaxes filters if results are too few, giving users accurate and flexible search results. Prediction tool uses a two-stage modeling approach. First, a linear regression model estimates long-term market drift on property prices. Then an XGBoost model redefines the predictions using features like land size, bedrooms, and location. We train separate models for apartments, villas, and houses, achieving around 10 to 15% error across property types. Finally, a fast API service delivers real-time price forecasts for new property inputs. Slide shows how our AI chatbot works. The Flash server receives a natural language query and sends to the Llama LLM, which converts it into SQL. Flask runs that SQL on the Superbase database and returns the data as JSON to the frontend. In short, users can query live property data using simple conversational language. For our future enhancements, our vision is to transform the real estate search experience across Australia by advancing our AI capabilities through predictive analytics and geographic expansion. Also, we plan to expand the platform into mobile applications and integrate APIs with existing platforms. Now let's jump straight to the project demonstration of our project SixthSense AI.
Hello everyone, this is our website's homepage. So first, let's log in. Just enter your mail and your password. Our login and sign up uses JWT-based authorization, which makes it secure and reliable. In this website, everyone can list their property, but before it goes public, it must be verified by the admin. Once verified, you'll be able to see it under the listing section. This is under pending. Now let's look at our search bar. This is the most unique feature of our platform. Unlike any existing real estate website, our search bar uses NLP, natural language processing, to understand human language. One of the biggest problems for international students or people new to an area is finding a places near where they work or study. Most websites don't let you search like that, but here you can simply type something like places near Coles Ferry Meadow under 700. It gives you all the matching results. Here is the codes. Another example, let's search for places near his boy and Roy. You can locate it on the map and you'll find a lot of places nearby that fits your needs. To fine-tune the search, we've also added a manual filter. For example, if I select 2 beds, it instantly updates the listings. When I click on a property, I get a detailed property description and I can book an appointment based on my convenience. On the right side, it shows a list of nearby markets, hospitals, and schools based on the property's longitude and latitude, which are fetched through Google's API. In the price prediction tab, you may enter your property details. You can enter your property details, and the model provides an estimated price based on the recent data. It's not exactly to the market fluctuation, but it gives a reliable estimation. In the conclusion, the website isn't just a real estate platform. It builds to help everyone, especially international students and the newcomers, find more places easily. With our NLP powered search bar, users can type what they want in natural language and get more meaningful results instantly. Now let's look at the admin dashboard. This is the admin dashboard of a project. Under the properties section, you can see all the properties listed by the users. Before going public, each property must be approved by the admin. Admins can approve, reject, or set pending any property based on their validity. You can also view the region, the rent, and availability, and open the location directly on Google Maps. And in the import and export property section, the admins can bulk upload or download property data. You can import in a CSV file with property details or export all the listings as a CSV report. It also shows statistics like total approved and approved properties and recent import activities. Finally, under the users, the admin can approve or deactivate user accounts based on verification. Everything runs live connected to a Postgres SQL API, ensuring real-time updates across the platform. Thank you.
The AI-powered chatbot is located on the bottom left corner of the web page, as you can see. It remains visible at all times as the user navigates around the website. Using the chatbot, I can find properties using a range of criteria simply by typing in simple English queries. For example, let's search for 2-bed properties that also have 2 baths. The chatbot will then search the database and show me the list of all properties matching my search criteria. And that concludes the demonstration of the SixthSense website. Hope you liked it. And thank you from me and the rest of the team here at SixthSense.